everyone and welcome to my math support video, and in today's video I'm going to explain how to subtract two-digit number using dienes. And in this video we have some vocabulary as well that I'll be using throughout the video, which is inverse, exchange, concrete, pictorial, number sentence, and subtraction. 38 minus 14 is equal. This is my number sentence that I have written, and as I told you in my last video, that before starting addition or subtraction, we have to make sure that we are placing the heading properly. So ones and tens. Similarly for this number, ones and tens, and for answer section as well. I am going to explain now how to do it through pictorial, through concrete, so that it will be easy for you to understand. I have here numbers in number sentence 38 minus 14. So we have 38, first number. The number which is bigger or greater in subtraction we always put first, and the smaller number that we have to subtract always will be the second number. So first we have the bigger, the greater number, and then the smaller number, and we are going to minus to find the difference. So let's see. 38, so we have in 38 how many ones we have? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many tens we have here? 3 tens. So 1, 2, and 3. That makes 38. In case of subtraction, it is not similar like addition, that we will write the other part as well and just add them and write the number. Here it's slight different. So in this we have to subtract 4 ones from 8 ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cross 4 from here. So I'll take another color, so cross 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's count how many how many ones left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at below ones I will write 4. And now we have how many tens to subtract from this side. So we have 1 10 that we have to subtract it from 3 tens. So I'm just going to cross 1 10. And how many balance now we got? 1 10 and 2 10, which is I'm going to write here 24. That's why it is 24 now. Similarly, I will show you here how to use dienes in order to solve the subtraction. So we have 1, 2, 3. This is my concrete method basically to show this was pictorial and now this is concrete to show how to solve using concrete or material. Here we have 38, so 3 tens, 1, 2, 3 tens, and 8 ones. So I will take 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As we have 8 tens now, and now we have to remove 4 ones from 8 ones. So just quickly take out 1, 2, 3, 4. I have removed 4. Balance I've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why at ones place I have 4. Now we have 33 tens. 1 tens, 2 tens, and 3 tens. From this 3 tens I have to remove 1 10. So I'll take away 1 10, and then we will see how many tens are balanced. So we have 1 10 and 2 tens. 2 tens means 20, that's why 2 tens is here, and answer is 24. This is the example of how to do subtraction without exchange. Now I will explain you how to do subtraction with exchange. In my previous video I have just explained how to do subtraction without exchange. Now I am going to explain how to do subtraction with exchange. And here I have another number sentence, which is 32 minus 17. So this is my number sentence, and when I did like this it was my pictorial, and this is concrete method. And now it was without exchange. Before it was without exchange. Now I'm going to explain how to do with exchange. So can you see me how I'm repeating these vocabulary that I have used here, so that if you will keep on repeating the same word in the home as well, so that they will be able to pick up the word very quickly. So let's begin with the process. As I told you, we have to write the number sentence. After the number sentence, we have to make sure we are placing the headings in a proper place. So we have 32 minus 17. Bigger number or greater number is first, and then the large number is first, and the smaller number is the second number, and 32 minus 17, we have to take away 17 from 32, or we have to find the difference between 32 and 17. So here we have 32. In this number we have how many ones? We have 2 ones. We have 1, 2, and how many tens? We have 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we have to subtract 17 from 32. It is not possible. If you can see, we have at ones place here we have 2, and at ones place here we have 7. We don't have 7 here. We cannot take 7 out from here. So in this case, I am going to exchange this 110, because we have 310, because this 110 is made up of 10 small cubes of ones. So this I can exchange or replace. This I can replace with a small cube, 10 cubes. So similarly, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to open this with, and I will write it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I just replaced my this with ones, with the small one. So I will cut it because I have just exchanged it. So it is again 1, 2, 3 tens and 2 32. But if we 1 8, so now here I have shown how I have taken 110 from here and open into the small ones. So I'll do the same thing here. As I told you before that 110 means 10 small cubes of 1. So similarly here we have 32, and this 10 I can replace with the small cubes of 1. So still it is 32, but I'm just replacing this 110 with the small cubes of 10. So now let's count how many ones we have and how many tens we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 22, and 32. So now we have to remove 7 from here. So it will be easy for us to remove 7. So I'm going to cross 7 ones from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I will do the same thing. I'll remove 7 ones from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I remove 7. And here the balance 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write below ones 5. And before we had 3, because we had 3 ones and we exchanged it with small cubes of 1. Now we have 2 ones, 2 tens. We have 3 tens. We open 1 tens with the small ones, and now we have 2 tens. With 2 tens, I have to remove 1 10. So I'm going to remove one more 10 from here, and 1 10 is here. So 2 10 minus 1 10 will give 1 10, and this is the answer, 15. So 32 minus 17 is 15 using dienes. We can do the inverse, we can use the inverse operation to see whether our answer is correct or not. For that, I will take these two numbers, 15 plus 17, to make sure that we have got the correct answer. So I'm just writing, this is called inverse operation, inverse, where we are going to check our answer. So 15 plus 17. So what I'm going to do is this 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. We have 7 ones here, and 1 10, 17. We have 5 ones and 1 10 here. That says it is 15. Now heading is most important, so make sure we have 1 tens and we have 1 and 10. Sorry, because I have written inverse here. So 1 and 10. So here we can see, now we will count how many we have. So we're going to count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We have 12 here, so we will see we have to make 1 10. We will just take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These 10 that we have here, we can replace with शी गड़बड़ हो गया पूरा।